Windows comes with a native disk management tool, and I think it is quite capable. So should you be using third-party tools for disk management? Well, we have the answer for you in this video. The guys at MiniTool Solutions sent me the MiniTool Partition Wizard. I have tried it out, and this video will be my review of the tool. Quick disclaimer. Other than getting this free version for review, they have not paid me to promote the product, and these were my exact words to them. Please note that my review will reflect my genuine experience with the product, as maintaining trust with my audience is my top priority. This means I will always provide honest, unbiased feedback. If this approach aligns with your expectations, I would be delighted to move forward with the collaboration. And so, here we are. Let us get right into it. Let's dive into the process of getting started with MiniTool Partition Wizard. Downloading the software is straightforward. Just head over to their official website. We have left a link in the description, and click the Download Partition Wizard button. Choose your preferred version based on your needs. For this review, we were provided with a key for the Pro version. Installing MiniTool Partition Wizard is as simple as double-clicking the downloaded .exe file and following the installation prompts. The process is intuitive and only takes a few minutes. However, I did come across a minor annoyance post-installation. A large notification popped up in the bottom right corner advertising MiniTool System Booster. While this isn't a huge drawback, it's worth mentioning, because once you've purchased software, you're usually looking to explore its features without immediate prompts to try additional tools. It doesn't impact the use of the program, but it can feel intrusive, especially before you've even had the chance to test out what you just installed. Now, let's take a look at the interface and main features of MiniTool Partition Wizard. Right from launch, you're welcomed by a clean, user-friendly layout. The primary interface opens up to Partition Management, which we'll explore in detail in a bit. Here, you'll see a clear display of all your disks, in my case Disk 1 and Disk 2. On the left, there's a pane showcasing an array of powerful tools that we'll dive into shortly as well. Beyond Partition Management, the top menu gives you access to these standout features. First is data recovery, which MiniTool touts as one of its most impressive features. They say it's invaluable for recovering accidentally deleted files or data lost due to system crashes. We'll see if it truly lives up to the hype in a bit. Then there is a partition recovery. They say this tool is your safety net if you've ever faced the frustration of losing an entire partition due to an error or accidental deletion. Well, we'll find out. It has a disk benchmark, perfect for users wanting to measure their disk performance. This feature evaluates the read and write speeds of your storage devices. We'll soon test if it meets the mark for analyzing the efficiency of both new and existing SSDs and HDDs. Finally, there is a space analyzer. If you're constantly battling limited storage, this tool could be your go-to. It provides a quick, detailed breakdown of what's taking up space, so you can make room efficiently. If these features deliver as promised, MiniTool Partition Wizard may very well combine an impressive array of tools, integrating what Windows 11 offers natively as separate features, all in one place. However, the best-case scenario is that they outperform the built-in Windows tools and offer superior functionality. Fingers crossed. Now, let's take this tool for a spin and put each feature to the test. MiniTool Partition Wizard's Partition Management tool offers an impressive range of features that surpass the built-in disk management tool in Windows 11. While the default Windows tool provides basic functions like opening, exploring, changing drive letters and paths, formatting and extending, shrinking, or deleting volumes, MiniTool takes it several steps further. One standout feature is the Surface Test, which serves as a comprehensive alternative to Windows Check Disk tool. This test thoroughly scans your hard drive or SSD, assessing sector health and identifying any bad sectors or damaged areas that could lead to data loss or performance issues. This proactive check is essential for maintaining disk reliability and ensuring smooth performance. Additionally, MiniTool Partition Wizard enhances data safety with its data recovery feature. By selecting any partition and initiating this option, the tool scans for deleted or lost files. Once the scan completes, it presents a list of recoverable files, offering you the chance to preview and restore them with just a few clicks. This feature can be a lifesaver when critical files are accidentally deleted or lost due to disk errors. When it comes to securely wiping a partition with MiniTool Partition Wizard, you've got several powerful options at your fingertips. Let's break them down and see what makes each one unique. First up, fill sectors with 0. This method writes a 0 across every single sector of the partition. It's fast and simple, perfect for erasing data in a way that's difficult to recover, but not impossible for advanced recovery tools. Next, fill sectors with 1, similar to the previous option, but uses the number 1 instead. It functions in much the same way, offering quick wiping that's slightly different in its overwrite pattern. Then, fill sectors with 0 and 1. This method alternates between writing 0s and 1s throughout the partition. It's a step up in security, making it harder for recovery software to reconstruct your data. But what if you need real data wiping assurance? Enter the heavyweights: DoD 5220.22 and DoD 5220.28 STD. These are U.S. Department of Defense level standards. DoD 5220.22 runs multiple passes. It overwrites the partition with 0s, then with 1s, and finishes with random data. This triple pass approach is designed to ensure your data is virtually unrecoverable. DoD 5220.28 STD is an even more stringent option. It has more passes involved, making it a go-to option for those looking for the most secure data wipe that meets government data destruction requirements. Each of these options caters to different levels of data security, from a quick erase to an ironclad defense against data recovery. Choosing the right one depends on how sensitive your data is and how thorough you need the wipe to be. Now, how does this stack up against the built-in Windows Disk Management's delete volume function? Well, while Windows Tool can remove a partition, it doesn't securely wipe the data. It simply marks the space as available for reuse. This means your deleted data could still be recovered with specialized software. MiniTool, on the other hand, goes further by ensuring your data is completely overwritten and unrecoverable. So, for true data security, MiniTool is the clear winner. Alright, let's move on to creating a new partition with MiniTool Partition Wizard. Here's a look at the Create New Partition window. You can see right away that it's packed with customization options. First, you have the partition label, which lets you name the new partition for easy identification. Below that, you choose how it's created, either as a primary or logical partition. Next, the drive letter can be assigned here, so the new partition shows up in Windows with the letter you want. The file system options include NTFS, FAT32, and more, making it versatile for different needs. And if you want to optimize data storage, adjusting the cluster size can come in handy, though the default is suitable for most users. Moving on, you can tailor the partition size by sliding the bar or typing the exact numbers. This lets you control the unallocated space before and after as well, perfect for those who like precision in their disk layout. Now, how does this compare to the built-in Windows 11 Disk Management tool? The Windows tool's new simple volume option is functional but basic. It lacks the level of customization MiniTool offers and includes a limited set of file system types. So, if you're looking for advanced control and flexibility, MiniTool Partition Wizard is the way to go. MiniTool Partition Wizard isn't just about creating and wiping partitions. It's packed with powerful features that make managing your drives easy and efficient. Let's take a closer look at the Migrate OS to SSD/HD Wizard in MiniTool Partition Wizard, a feature that can be a game changer when upgrading or backing up your system drive. When you open the Migrate OS to SSD/HD Wizard, you're presented with two main options. Option A: I would like to replace my system disk with another hard disk. Choosing this means MiniTool Partition Wizard will copy all partitions from your current system disk to a new hard drive. This is perfect for when you want to completely move your system, applications, and data to a new drive, making it a true disk replacement. Option B. I would like to copy my operating system to another hard disk and keep the original hard disk in my computer. This choice is ideal for those who just want to transfer the necessary system partitions to a new disk while keeping the original drive intact. It's a smart solution for setting up a secondary backup or transitioning to an SSD for faster performance, all while retaining your current disk as a safety net. After selecting one of the options, the wizard takes you to the Select Destination disk screen. Here, you'll decide which disk will host your operating system. Important note, the content on the destination disk will be erased during the migration process. So, make sure to back up any important data stored on it before proceeding. Depending on your disk configuration, you might encounter further options, such as resizing partitions or aligning partitions to optimize SSD performance. The wizard will guide you step by step, ensuring the migration process is seamless and error-free. In this case, we did not need further options, and the migration was smooth. The tool has some other nice features for partitions. You may try any of the following. Copy Partition Wizard. This feature duplicates a specific partition and its data to another location, perfect for backing up important data or creating identical environments. Copy Disk Wizard. If you need an exact clone of your entire disk, this function replicates all partitions and their data to another disk, ensuring you have a full backup or a ready-to-go duplicate. Partition Recovery Wizard. If you've ever lost a partition due to accidental deletion or corruption, this tool helps you recover it quickly, potentially saving you from data loss headaches. Now, under Change Partition, you can move or resize partitions. This is the equivalent of shrinking a partition with the Windows Disk Management tool. Additionally, you can extend partitions, merge partitions, split partitions, change cluster size, and convert NTFS to FAT. So how do these stack up against Windows 11's built-in disk management? Windows tool can handle basic tasks like creating, deleting, and resizing partitions, but it lacks advanced features like migrating an OS, copying partitions or disks, recovering lost partitions, and merging or splitting partitions. MiniTool Partition Wizard fills these gaps with ease. This tool also offers a disk benchmark feature. It is designed to measure performance of your storage devices, such as hard drives, solid-state drives, and external drives. It evaluates the read and write speeds of a drive under different conditions, providing you with critical data on how efficiently the drive performs. The disk benchmark screen provides an intuitive interface to test the performance of your drives. Here's what you can configure. Select a drive. At the top, choose the drive you want to benchmark. Then there is transfer size. This lets you define the range of data sizes to test, from as small as 4 kilobytes to larger blocks of 32 kilobytes in this case. Queue number and thread number. These settings control how many tasks are queued and processed during the test. Adjust these if you want to simulate different workloads. Total length. Set the total amount of data to be tested. In this example, it's set to 200 megabytes. Cool-down time. This defines the pause between tests, ensuring your drive doesn't overheat. Test mode. Finally, choose between sequential or random tests. Sequential tests measure read/write speeds in order, while random tests simulate fragmented workloads. Both are great for understanding different performance aspects. Once your parameters are set, simply hit the Start button to begin the test. MiniTool Partition Wizard will now measure the read and write speeds of your drive based on the selected settings. During the test, you'll see the tool analyzing various data block sizes and presenting real-time results. Depending on the drive speed and the total length you've set, this process might take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Once the test is complete, you'll get a detailed performance report. This includes key metrics like sequential read and write speeds, ideal for large file transfers, and random read and write speeds, crucial for daily tasks like launching applications or loading files. This data helps you understand how well your drive performs under different conditions. The last element of this tool we will discuss is the Space Analyzer. This feature is a powerful tool designed to help you analyze your storage devices and identify how disk space is being used. This feature is particularly useful for managing storage and cleaning up large or unnecessary files. The Space Analyzer interface is user-friendly and provides an intuitive way to locate and manage files that are taking up significant space on your drive. Select the drive and click Scan, and the tool will give you a breakdown of all the content of the drive. So, what's the final verdict on MiniTool Partition Wizard? Overall, it's a comprehensive tool that offers much more than Windows' built-in disk management. With its robust features like the Migrating Wizard, partition recovery, and advanced data wiping options, it's a step up for anyone needing more control and flexibility over their disk management tasks. While I really appreciate how user-friendly and feature-rich the Pro version is, whether it's worth buying depends on your specific needs. If you're someone managing complex disk setups, handling sensitive data, or planning significant system upgrades, investing in the Pro version can be a game changer. On the other hand, casual users might find the free version sufficient, as it covers essential tasks like repartitioning drives, formatting, checking file systems, aligning SSD partitions, measuring SSD performance, and converting FAT to NTFS. Perfectly usable on Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. For those who want to give it a try, we've included a link to the free version in the description below. If you found this review helpful or are excited to see more content like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us bring you more valuable tech insights and tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.